is Sendura Pove from the Sridevi starrer Padinaru Vaidinile. The movie was remade in Hindi as well as Telugu. While Sridevi was the constant factor in all the movies, the hero and the villain, the other pivotal roles, were played by different characters in the other versions. Today I will be merging the Tamil version, Sendura Pove, along with the Telugu version, Sirimalli Puva. This movie was released in 1978 and had music by Ilayaraja, and both the versions were sung by S. Janaki. Sendura Pove, Sendura Pove, Sendura Pove, ஜில்லென்ற காற்றே என் மன்னன் எங்கே, என் மன்னன் எங்கே, நீ கொஞ்சம் சொல்லாயோ. சிறிமல்லி பூவா, சிறிமல்லி பூவா, చిన్నారి చిలకమ్మ, నా వాడు ఎవరే, నా తోడు ఎవరే, ఎన్నాళ్ళకొస్తాడే సెందూర పూవే. చుక్కల్లారా దిక్కులు దాటి వాడి ఎన్నాళ్ళకొస్తాడో సెందూర పూవే, செந்தூர பூவே, செந்தூர பூவே, ஜில்லென்ற காற்றே என் மன்னன் எங்கே, என் மன்னன் எங்கே, நீ கொஞ்சம் சொல்லாயோ. செந்தூர பூவே. சாலை வழி எங்கும் பூவை இறைத்திடுங்கள். வண்ணப்பூவே, தென்றல் காற்றே, என்னை தேடி சுகம் வருமோ. சிறிமல்லி பூவா, சிறிமல்லி பூவா, சிறிமல்லி பூவா, చిన్నారి చిలకమ్మ, నా వాడు ఎవరే, నా తోడు ఎవరే, ఎన్నాళ్ళకొస్తాడే.